Can you tell us about Speedysuccess? You are the principal partner and the senior partner of Speedysuccess. So what can you tell us about the company?
All right, thank you very much. One more time, my name is Femi Richora. I'm very grateful for your question. A lot of persons have been asking us what is Speedysuccess, who is Speedysuccess. Speedysuccess is a professional consulting firm that started about 10 years ago. I think officially by August 2025, Speedysuccess is 10 years. But as we speak, Speedysuccess 10 years by operations. Now, Speedysuccess, like I said, it's a professional consulting firm. We are involved in 4 areas. When we started, we were purely chartered accountants, and as we evolved, we brought in the computer experts, the ICT experts, and because our works have been classified as global services, whether you're in Nigeria or in any part of the world, we have been able to render services to even candidates from the UK and the rest of them. So we are now both ICT, accountancy, and all the services. So Speedysuccess basically is divided into 4 areas. I think I'm all right.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
So, Chris, can you speak more on Speedysuccess and ICT?
Yeah, Speedysuccess, first of all, like I said, is divided into 4 areas. We have 4 segments: the ICT department or segment. We have the consultancy services. We have the ICANN training, and we have the diploma courses like ICANN ATS program and other graduate programs. So for the ICT, Speedysuccess had been trying to get into the ICT from 2019, but as time goes by and God will help us, we have an expert who came in and shows intelligence in that area. We provide all ICT software training programs. We have the Sage software training and installation, the QuickBook both for cloud and desktop installation. We also provide Tally training, busy training and installation, and then we have specifics on softwares that relates to the restaurants, hotels, and small industries or small businesses. We provide currently AI training for accountants and auditors. The basic things the accountants should know about the artificial intelligence and how necessary or how impactful it can be on the future work of the accountants.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So, while you are saying this, I want to ask if the consulting aspect of the Speedysuccess Professional, what you may do in the consulting department?
All right. For the consulting department, in the past 9 years, we have done so much of consultancy, which include number one, helping to set up an accounting firm or probably an existing company or a new company. Most times, we have new companies that needed to set up the accounting system. We also have existing companies that don't even know how to write the accounting policies that is IFRS compliant or for IFRS ME compliant. So we are providing services for companies, small and medium-sized entities and medium-sized entities, even big entities. We have, number one, help set up the accounting policies and ensure that it's implemented. Also help the external auditors to ensure that the policies used by the company are what is required. And so in collaboration with the external auditors, we were able to say, okay, this is our policy and this is how you relate with it as required by the regulators. That's one. So we also help in preparing tax returns and filing also. We involve ourselves in business development. So many persons have been with us and say, well, I have this idea, I don't know how to set it up, I don't know how to recruit staff, I don't know how to put my or train my staffs on what I call team knowledge or teamwork or mental understanding of how the workplace routines run. So we also have contract like that, and we have done the job carefully. Some many persons also want to get loan from the bank. So we also provide that report and helping to write business plan when we talk of consulting for an entity. We do internal audit and external auditors. We have partners who are external auditors here, registered and qualified partners who are external auditors. We also do what I call staff training. Specifically, we have done so much on the international financial reporting standards, whether of the full standards or of the IFRS for SME. Like myself, I love to classify myself as an IFRS reporting accountant. All right, so I think that's all about the consulting
Okay,
and any other business needs.
is Speedysuccess a tuition house? I can tuition house. Can you explain or let us know about that? The training aspect of it, you've already mentioned. Is it a tuition house? Do you train people on?
Go
Do you
ahead.
train people on ICANN, ATS, CIBN, or ACCA London, or whatever?
All
Let
right.
us know. Let's know about that.
Thank you very much. When Speedysuccess started, we actually were focusing on training. Though Speedysuccess is a consulting firm, but we took training as our first segment. And we thank God in the past 10 years, we have grown from that point. So we started by registering with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria as a service provider. So we provide training for to be chartered accountants, and also the lower part, the undergraduates or those who are just school leavers who want to get ICANN basic certificate called ATSWA. So we give them training every year, twice in a year. For like the ATSWA people, the examination is going to be in the next March, and we expect that the training will start from the end of this month of October 2024. When that is done, we will go ahead and prepare ourselves again for May diet of the professional exams. But in 2024, we added organizations like the Chartered Institute of Taxation, CIBN, marketing and CI, and NIN. So give trainings, especially to courses that relates to our environment, especially in the business admin department or social sciences. Those are the new things we do when we come to
So now,
tutorial.
what will you tell the viewers in terms of where you have gotten your strength to be able to carry out this task? Because you have
That's
there
a
are so
good
many
one.
capacities.
That's a good one. My strength actually came from desire never to allow the generation behind me to lack professional knowledge. As a young man, I am in the middle age of life, and when I was younger, a lot of companies, head of accounts, are foreigners in Nigeria. And for me, I really don't like that. I've traveled little as a Nigerian. I've seen how Nigerians are treated. And so when you come to Nigeria and you're a foreigner, I don't see you taking over what you're supposed to know how to do. I used to tell myself, every Nigerian must be expert. Every Nigerian have the same brain like the white man in any foreign country. So every Nigerian must have the knowledge. And someone asked me earlier, how do you get this knowledge? I said to them, when you have the book and you have the brain and you have the time and God, you can get knowledge. You can evolve. So my strength comes by telling myself, if I live in this earth, I must make the next chartered accountant. I must make the next manager. I must make the next leader. And so that's where my strength comes from. All right, that's where my strength comes from.
So
All right,
thank you
running
very
up.
much. Yeah.
Okay, and running up. Please, we want to invite everyone watching the telecast. You have any need of any services I've listed, just call 081 or you can just follow me on this plan, send a DM. For our next sections, ICANN ASWA and undergraduate programs start from this month, October 2024. You can start registering. For ICANN professional exams after the November diet, we will fly up from that point. But you are watching the telecast also that you have problem writing or registering with all those professional bodies like ACCA, please, or ICANN, call the line 08148 or send a WhatsApp message. We will respond and help. We are a total consulting house, rendering service to the generation now and generation to come. God bless you. Thank you very much.